Production refers to the whole process behind making goods and services, combining various material inputs, technologies, and knowledge. Let's log in and find out how you can use Celonis to improve your production process. The production process shown here is part of an exemplary, large, medium-sized company. Let's call them eXp Productive. The volume of sales per year is around $400 million, and the company has about 600 employees. Our smart Celonis algorithms uncover the real process in the raw system data. There is no need for lengthy interviews or reality assessment projects. Just push a button. Now, let's move on and see what Celonis really is about. We now see the Process Explorer, one of the core functionalities. The Process Explorer shows different activities which are part of the production process. Currently, you can see the most common process variant with all its activities. This leads to the total amount of cases shown. While we have about 17,000 production orders all in all, only 15% are currently shown. We can dynamically change to the next most common process variant by clicking here and see how the percentage increases to 27%. To keep track of all different paths, Celonis also provides the opportunity to highlight each process flow by clicking the play button. Let's look at the Explorer. We see almost 3,000 cases in which the process ends directly after the production order was created. Why was the order created at all? Was there an information gap or communication problem? It's okay if that happens once or twice, but in 3,000 cases, it means a lot of eXp Productive's resources and money was wasted, and the reason might be trivial. For example, wrong planning or a non-stringent maintenance of master data. But let's dig deeper into eXp Productive's data. Move on to the third variant and visualize its process. In 1,500 cases, the process ended after the production order was released. eXp Productive would like to know how much time was lost in this process step. No problem. If we click on the top left icon, we simply switch to the throughput time. We can see exactly how much time is spent on each step. Here, it's 46 days on average before the process ends. This is clearly a problem. In the variant seen before, this step usually takes only 11 days. The difference in the throughput time could be the result of out-of-stock materials, or again, information and communication mismanagement. While it's difficult, time-consuming, or even impossible to detect problems like this in your ERP system, Celonis can show the affected process and root causes in a matter of seconds. Process weaknesses hide in small details, but with the Process Explorer, you can see all of them at once. Just increase the percentage of the cases to 100%, and you will see how your actual processes look like. The full view reveals all inefficiencies and the complexity in your as-is processes, where you lose time, money, margin, and customer satisfaction. We just discovered several process inefficiencies and weaknesses. So what's next? Let's move on to a second worksheet. You can click on a specific type of case and, for example, see the different automation rates for all of eXp Productive's production order cases in a specific work area. What's more, you can combine different filters to analyze details like the materials involved in a specific process variant. If necessary, you can switch to the Cases table and check all information in the source dataset at any time. Would you like to dig even deeper into the production process or analyze a whole different process? Celonis offers a large and unmatched selection of ready-to-use analysis to make your processes much faster and explore topics like process cycle times, automation, unnecessary rework, and interruptions. Nearly every answer to questions about your company's processes is hidden in your data. Celonis is the key to visualize, understand, improve, and monitor them in real time and end-to-end. Let's change the way you run your processes forever.